Here we have to prove sin² into cot² plus sin² is equal to 1. So we consider the left hand side, which is equal to sin² into cot² plus sin²θ. Now we know that cot theta can be replaced by cosθ upon sinθ, and we have cot²θ, so that could be replaced by cos²θ upon sin²θ. So the next step would be, we have sin² into cos² upon sin² plus sin². Now sin² cancels with sin², so we have cos² plus sin², and we know that cos² plus sin² is equal to 1, which is equal to the right hand side. Prove that cos² into tan² plus cos² is equal to 1. So we write down the left hand side. Here the left hand side is cos² into tan² plus cos²θ, not cot², it's cos²θ. Now we know that tan² is sinθ upon cosθ. So we replace tan²θ by sin² divided by cos² plus cos². Now cos² cancels with cos², and we are left with sin² plus cos², and we know that this value is equal to 1, right? Sin² plus cos² is equal to 1, and that is equal to the right hand side. Now here we have to prove 1 plus cot² times sin² is equal to 1. So this is what we have to prove over here. Now let us consider the left hand side. The left hand side is 1 plus cot² into sin²θ. Now we know that cotθ is nothing but cos upon sin. So we replace cot² by cos² upon sin² into sin²θ. Now we equalize the denominator inside the bracket. So if we equalize this, we obtain sin² plus cos², the whole thing divided by sin² times sin². Now sin²θ cancels with sin², and we are left with sin² plus cos², and we know that sin² plus cos² is equal to 1, and that is equal to the right hand side. Now here we have to verify half sin 30 degrees plus 1 by 3 times tan² 45 degrees plus 1/4 of sec 180 degrees is equal to 1 by 3. So we write down the left hand side, which is equal to half sin 30 degrees plus 1 by 3 times tan² 45 degrees plus 1 by 4 of sec 180 degrees. And now we substitute the respective values of the trigonometric ratios. So we have half into, the sine of 30 degrees is half, plus 1 by 3 into tan 45 degrees is 1. So we'll have 1 square over here, plus 1 by 4 into sec 180 degrees is minus 1. So simplifying further, we have half into half, that's 1 by 4 plus 1/3 into 1 square. 1 square is 1. So here we have 1 by 3, and 1 by 4 into minus 1, that's minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 cancels with minus 1 by 4, and we are left with 1 by 3, which is equal to the right hand side. Now here we have to verify cos 45 degrees into cos 60 degrees minus sin 45 degrees into sin 60 degrees is equal to 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2. So let us write down the left hand side, which is equal to cos 45 degrees into cos 60 degrees minus sin 45 degrees into sin 60 degrees. Now we know that the value of cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 into the value for cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus the value for sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 into the value for sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now if we simplify this, 1 into 1, so that's 1 upon, in the denominator we have 2 root 2 minus 1 into root 3, so that's root 3 upon 2 root 2. Now if we combine the two terms, we get 1 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2, and that is equal to the right hand side.